Okay, let's read the Jungle Book. Who is this?
Mowgli.
Who is this? Who is
Balu.
this? Who is this?
Sher Khan. Sher Khan.
No, this is not Sher Khan. This is the wolf.
Wolf.
What is the name of the wolf?
Wolf.
What is the name of the wolf?
Akela.
Akela. Very good. And who is this?
Panther.
Black Panther.
Black Panther.
What is the name of the Black Panther?
Black Panther.
Bagheera.
Bagheera.
And who is this?
Snake.
Python.
Python.
What is the name of that python? Ka.
Ka.
And who is this?
Eagle.
Eagle. Okay, let's read.
And the and the Mowgli, your friend.
Yes. It is. That snake is also Mowgli's friend. Okay. It is time to hunt, Raksha, said the father wolf as he stepped outside his cave. So here is the father wolf. He is stepping out of his cave. The mother wolf nodded and looked lovingly at her cubs. Just then a jackal passed by their cave. What brings you to Seeonee Hills? Asked the father wolf. Tonight Sher Khan is hunting in these hills, informed the jackal. So tonight Sher Khan is hunting in these hills. Immediately the father got worried. By the law of the jungle, he has no right to hunt in Seeonee Hills, replied the father wolf. Just then they heard Sher Khan roar loudly. Roar! He hunts a man tonight, cried the mother wolf. Aren't there enough frogs and wolves in the forest? Said father wolf angrily. Suddenly, they heard a rustling sound behind the bushes. Something is coming uphill, whispered the mother wolf. The father wolf was ready to attack. See how he is ready to attack. When a small baby crawled out of the bushes. It is a man's cub, exclaimed the father wolf. Bring it here. I have never seen a man's cub, cried the mother wolf. Who is this man's cub? Mowgli. The father wolf picked up the baby softly and brought him to the cave. The baby snuggled close to the mother wolf. By then, Sher Khan had followed his prey to the cave. Give me the man's cub, he roared. Wow! To Sher Khan's utter surprise, both mother and father wolf stood up to protect the baby. Mother wolf and father wolf were fighting to protect the baby. When Sher Khan saw that he would not have his way, he said, Every dog barks in his own yard. What will happen when you take him before the pack? A few days later, Akela, the leader of the pack, summoned the man's cub, who was now known as Mowgli by all, to the pack's meeting. So this is the meeting. Sher Khan was present in the pack's Sher Khan was present in the pack's meeting. He said, see here is Sher Khan, in case there is a dispute regarding the man's cub, the law of the jungle says he must be spoken for by 2 members, barring his parents. Everyone, including Akela, agreed with Sher Khan. Balu the bear and Bagheera the panther came to Mowgli's rescue. The cubs of men are wise. He can prove to be useful to your pack. I pay a dead bull as his price, said Bagheera. The pack agreed to it. Therefore, in spite of Sher Khan's protest, Mowgli was included in the pack. Understood everything till now? Clear everything? Others?
Yeah. Somebody go and but now Sher Khan can eat that eel. Such a good deer. No?
Yes. See, Sher Khan thought he will make the pack to disown Mowgli. He said two people other than his parents should support him. So Sher Khan thought there will be no other wolf coming to support him, and so the pack will say Mowgli cannot stay with them. Then Sher Khan thought he will go and eat Mowgli. But then, who came to rescue Mowgli? Balu and Bagheera came. They said, we are not his parents, but we support him. He will be useful to your pack. So, to make them happy, he gave them a bull, dead bull, as a prize. So, keeping the dead bull, they will be happy because they can eat the bull. No, that's why. In exchange for keeping Mowgli, they gave them a dead bull. As Mowgli grew up in the jungle, he learned the language of the animals. However, he was warned against Sher Khan, who still longed to kill him. But Mowgli would laugh aloud and say, I have no fear. I have Balu, Bagheera, and the pack with me. One day, Mowgli and Bagheera were moving around in the forest. Bagheera told Mowgli, Sher Khan has turned many wolves against you. He believes that a man's cub has no place in the pack. Be careful. Why? I have followed all the laws of the jungle, said the innocent Mowgli. See, Bagheera is telling him, Mowgli is replying back. Then Bagheera is telling to Mowgli, that does not matter. If Akela misses the next kill tomorrow, the pack will turn against you, said Bagheera. Mowgli remained silent. Then Bagheera said, I suggest you to go down to the village and bring the red flower. It will make you strong and protect you. By red flower, Bagheera meant fire. Understood till now?
Red flower down, fire.
Yes. You understood everything?
Yeah.
Mowgli obeyed him and ran off to the village. It grows in little pots, Mowgli, Bagheera called after him. That night, Mowgli stole a pot full of burning fire from a cottage. At midnight, he met Bagheera, who told him, Akela has missed the kill. They are looking for you. So, Akela could not kill the buffalo or whatever they were hunting. So the pack is very angry with Akela. So they want to kill Mowgli. Because they kept Mowgli because of Akela's order. I am ready. Let's go, Bagheera, cried Mowgli, as he showed Bagheera the pot of fire. Both of them made their way towards the council rock. Akela sat quietly in a corner, but Sher Khan roared, Roar! A man's cub has no place in the pack. He should leave the jungle. Like that Sher Khan said. Akela protested. Blind with anger, Sher Khan jumped on Mowgli, but Mowgli was quick and flung the fire pot on the ground. Red flower! Cried Sher Khan and retreated. Retreated means going back. The pack was terrified. Mowgli was very angry. He cried out, Farewell! I am going to live with men. I will return and kill Sher Khan.
ತೋಲಿಲ್ಲ
Ama.
ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾಗಲ್ಲ ತೋಲ
Ama.
ಕಾಮಿಂಗ
Mowgli left for the village immediately and was taken in by a woman called Mesua. Her name is Mesua. What is her name?
ಸುವ
Mowgli learned that Mesua had lost her son to a limping tiger. It took him no time to understand that Sher Khan had killed her son because Sher Khan also was limping.
ನಿಂಪಿಂಗ್ನ
Nondigdu pordu. When Akela met Mowgli, he said to him, Sher Khan has vowed to kill you. He will be waiting for you in the ravine. By now, Mowgli was furious and determined to take revenge. Immediately, he made the village bulls charge down the ravine. Sher Khan was taken by surprise and was trampled to death. So all the bulls, buffaloes, they ran. Tukrak, 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 tukrak. And Sher Khan was waiting for Mowgli. He could not see the bulls coming, and in no time they just trampled him, crushed him under the hooves. Mowgli then skinned Sher Khan. Mowgli removed the skin of the Sher Khan tiger, and he took the skin and gave it to Akela. That evening, Mowgli returned to the council rock with Sher Khan's skin. "I have kept my promise," he said. The pack was jubilant and included Mowgli in their pack. Years later, Mowgli went to the village, never to return to the forest again. He started living with the human beings, with the men. Because his parents had come to the jungle, that time Sher Khan attacked their parents, and so he got separated from the parents. Yes. Okay. Any other questions?
Yeah.
What?
How Sher Khan see that cup?
How Sher Khan see what?
That Mowgli.
He smells it. He can smell human beings' smell. Sher Khan is a tiger, right? Tigers can smell from very, very far away.
The wolf hear the calling.
The wolf heard what? Sher Khan's roar.
No.
The Mowgli's appearance.
Yeah.
Mowgli was crawling and coming through the leaves and bushes, right? So he stepped on the branches and they broke and they made those cracking sound. And the leaves were also rough, making the rustling sound. So the wolf heard it. The wolf have very sharp ears. They can hear very keenly. Even small sound they can hear. Any other questions?
Yeah.
What?
Why? How the Mowgli killed the lion?
How Mowgli killed Sher Khan? See, Bagheera told Mowgli that.
How? Why? And Sher Khan was doing like this.
Sher Khan wants to eat Mowgli because Sher Khan loves to eat human beings. Human flesh is very tasty.
But why it was? Yeah, the no difference.
Because when Sher Khan wanted to kill Mowgli as a baby, Mowgli's father fought with Sher Khan and he stabbed Sher Khan on the leg. That's how Sher Khan got injured in the leg.
But he didn't die. How?
Leg only he stabbed, right? After that, Sher Khan gave one punch to the father and the father died. Any other question?
Why that only that wolf is white?
That is the female wolf. So it is looking
Female wolf, no?
girl wolf.
Hello, boy. This is not a girl.
Ama. Yes. Other girl wolves are not in the picture. They are somewhere else. Others, do you have any questions? What?
The Mowgli Rabbi, the slide, the Mowgli Savadic Bantu.
Another?
Yeah, the pack left present and do Venune Mowgli Savadic Rakani.
Because they were very frustrated. They wanted to eat Mowgli because they could not get any buffalo to eat. So they thought, let us eat Mowgli. Others, what is your question?
They only eat non-veg.
Obviously, wolf eats only non-veg. Wolf does not eat veg.
But this was only didn't eat Mowgli. Why?
Because they considered him to be family. Wolves won't eat family, right?
Yeah.
So the mother wolf said, Mowgli is my son. So they did not eat Mowgli. But afterwards, when they decided to kill the leader Akela, they decided that they don't have to listen to anybody. They can do what they want. So they were no longer scared of Akela. So they wanted to kill Mowgli. They don't like humans. Wolves don't like humans. Humans are different from wolves, right?
Yeah.
That's why.
And why sheep lion eats only lion, no?
Lion eats deer, cow, buffalo, bull, even human beings if it has tasted once. Lion will not eat another lion.
Why?
They don't like to eat other animal which is of same species. Do you eat human beings? No, right? You eat only chicken, mutton, fish, like that. Lion also eats chicken, mutton, fish. It won't eat other lions. Any other questions? What?
Not about the story.
Wait, now we are asking only about the story. Any question, others? No.
Yeah, me.
What?
Why in the wolf's back like why in the wolf's back it's like this?
Others would have scribbled it. Okay, and now we'll stop this.